Tom the installer here with the clean room cover accessory for the AtlasIED SHS speaker. I want to show you how simple it is to install this. Once the SHS speaker is mounted in the ceiling, remove the standard flange and diffuser lens assembly from the front of it. The clean room cover kit comes with a silicone adhesive. You'll want to place a dab of it in the center of the speaker cover. This is optional, but helps hold it in place. Fit the entire flange and diffuser lens assembly into the cover. Thread the edges around like so. Make sure the lip is completely around the edge of the flange. Then we'll take our handy silicone adhesive and run it all the way around the circumference of the assembly. Make sure it's fully covered. This will be what makes it stick to the ceiling surface. Screw it back into place, creating a dust-free seal. And that's it.